Hey guys, it's the elevator world, and at some point in your life, you're going to come in contact with a laundromat. Whether it's what you do every day, or you've done it once a year, or something like that, you're going to come in contact with a laundromat at some point. So this video is to show people who do their own laundry but don't know how to use a laundromat, how to use a laundromat. You can see here, I've got my dirty clothes, and we're ready to go. I also have some softener, some detergent, and some Downy balls. I really like these. Let's go to the laundromat. Alright, we're here at the laundromat, and I've already found the things that I need. I have a whole row of open washers, though I'm only going to be using these 3. And I'm checked, and nothing is in any of these. So now we need to separate the lights and the darks. And I'm also going to be putting towels in a 3rd washer, and I like to wash those separate. But the first thing we need to do actually is we need to put detergent in, and we need to start filling the washer. Now these washers shut off if you lift the lid while they're filling. You might think that it's actually to add detergent, start the washer, and then put the clothes in. So we have some detergent here. We're going to take off the lid. Going to put in some detergent in each washer, like that. Sorry if I'm not filming the best, but I don't have a cup, so this is how I have to do it. I spilled a little bit, but now we can start the washers. One thing you're going to need a lot of quarters. These washers here are $2, so what we'll do is like that. Shut the washer, and because we want to use warm water, since these are going to be the lights, we're going to use colors. So we'll start this and put it on colors. Second machine, same process. Also colors. And the 3rd machine, which is already set to colors, but because these are going to be towels, we're actually going to wash them on hot. So in this example, we're actually going to do whites. Now we're going to separate the lights and the darks. So now, these are jeans. Oh, these look dark. We'll put them in the dark bin. Here's a sock, that's white. These shorts are light. Put them in there. Oh, here's a towel. This will go in the towels. Now you can see we have the towels, darks, and lights. One other thing, I like to use liquid fabric softener because it really gets some good, makes your clothes nice and soft. These washers don't have an automatic dispenser, so I'm going to use my Downy balls. Unfortunately, I only have 2, so I'll have to manually add the ones in the towels, but toss that in, toss that in. Now it's safe to close them. And now, we just wait and let the machines do their job. Well, they were running a minute ago, but they just cut them off, so I figured I'd get a video. They're still spinning, but they cut them off. But I did see them on, so yeah, they were on for a minute. Alright, this machine is now filling, the one I didn't add the softener to. So we're going to take the softener and dump some in. The other two dispensed automatically because I had the Downy ball in them. But now we just gotta wait for them to be done. And just like that, they are done. Ooh, clean clothes. Ooh. Still waiting on the towels machine to finish. But you can see now I have my wonderful wet, clean clothes in the washer. And what I'm going to do now actually is I'm going to remove the Downy balls. Still got some liquid in it. This washer is going to finish in a minute. And once this washer finishes, we are going to take these over to the dryers. Obviously, these machines are not going to be top of the line. In fact, these machines are pretty ancient by today's standards, but you know what? They work fine. As you can see, I have clean clothes, and that's all that matters. So, yeah, these are pretty good machines. Maytag. Oh, and this one's done. Still spinning. But there are my nice wet towels. And there you go. All the lights went off. That means it's done. Now it's time to transfer the wet clean clothes to the dryer. All my darks are in there now. I've got the lights and the towels going in this dryer right now. I'm putting the lights with the towels because there's less lights than darks. Also, tip. If you have dryers like these, where you choose the price by however much time you put, always use more than one dryer because you will use the same amount of money in only half the time. So these dryers only take 25 cents. So we'll put in 25 cents. These dryers get pretty hot, hotter than most residential ones, so I'm only going to use medium heat. Same with this one. I'm only going to use medium heat. And of course now, we'll add one more, just for a little bit of extra time. And now, clothes are in the dryer. And just like that, the clothes are dry. Wow, they feel nice. So now, we're gonna load them back in the basket. They aren't completely dry, but they will air dry the rest of the way. As long as they're mostly dry, they're fine. There's one dryer. Those are the darks, and these are the lights. This dryer kind of spins. Forgot to check this one. Oh, wait a minute. I didn't take it. Oh, okay. Just like that, we just did a load of laundry. That's how you do laundry at a laundromat.